I hear voices in my head, they counsel me, they understand.
The following contest is for the World Heavyweight Championship. Accompanied by John Bradshaw Layfield. And introducing the challenger. From St. Louis, Missouri, weighing in at 245 pounds, Randy Orton.
Start questioning your fate. I have a voice that is my savior. Hates to love and loves to hate. I have a voice that has the knowledge and the power to your fate. I hear voices crying. I see heroes dying. I taste blood that's trying. I feel tension rising. I hear voices in my head. They counsel me. They understand. They talk to me. They talk to me. They tell me things that I will do. They show me things.
Are you ready?
You think you can tell us what to do? You think you can tell us what to wear? You think that you're better? Better get ready. Bow to the masters. Break it down. Degenerate into something full. We just got time.
And their opponent, from San Antonio, Texas, he is the World Heavyweight Champion, the Heartbreak Kid, Shawn Michaels.
Degeneration up! Degeneration! You think you can tell me what to do? You know who you're talking to? Well, you better get used to the way the ball bounces. I see what you got. It measures in ounces, but that's a brace, boy. Yeah, that's a brace, little man. Break it down. Degeneration up! Degeneration! You think you're a big man? Treat you like you're a little man. Yeah. Break it down.
And that's what it's all about. That's the prize they're going after right there.
To see what I am, but that's a brace, boy. Yeah. That's a brace, little man.
We're 6 days from WrestleMania, and the World Heavyweight Champion finds himself defending against a very dangerous opponent in Randy Orton.
Randy's definitely dangerous. Shawn knows I'm the biggest threat toward his livelihood.
Ladies and gentlemen, my former broadcast colleague JBL joins us to offer his take on this title match and nothing else, right, John?
Do your job, Michael, and don't worry about me. Look at this! Could it be?
JBL, has it occurred to you that WrestleMania...
And there he goes! Sweet chin music! He wasted no time going for that pin.
Orton might win back the World Heavyweight Championship?
All I care about is ending Shawn Michaels' career at WrestleMania. Unlike Shawn, I'm focused.
Oh, and Randy takes a hard shot.
He's looking to put his opponent away right here. And there he goes! Sweet chin music! He's going for the pin!
Orton pops the shoulder up. And that one's for good measure. The big boot connects.
Just listen to his body crash into the ground.
This is it. Here he goes. And there he goes. Sweet chin music. The match is over. That's all she wrote.
Shawn Michaels has successfully defended the World Heavyweight title.
If this was his last match on Raw, he couldn't have picked a better way to leave.
Next stop, Houston, Texas, for WrestleMania. Michaels has a date with destiny as he takes on JBL, with retirement looming for the loser.
Bow to the masters. Break it down.
The long road ends here at WrestleMania. Michael Cole and Jerry the King Lawler welcoming you to Houston, Texas for a historical night.
It certainly will be, because one superstar, either Shawn Michaels or John Bradshaw Layfield, will be history.
This action-packed night will no doubt be highlighted by JBL and HBK's retirement match. Let's look back at how this all came about. HBK saved CM Punk from an uncalled-for attack by JBL, then beat Bradshaw the following week to become #1 contender. A Michaels injury made JBL proclaim that it's the Shawn Michaels retirement tour. Shawn was far from done, however, as he beat Randy Orton to once again become World Heavyweight Champion. JBL deviously put out a bounty on HBK, but no one was able to collect. He resorted to putting his own career against Shawn's, which HBK initially refused. However, he changed his mind, and here we are. Tonight is the last